How to render only transparent shadows? I enjoy working with collections in Blender, and they will be really handy for us today. Step 1. Create two collections, one for the background objects, in my case it's a floor plane and a wall, and the second one for the objects that are meant to drop shadows. Also very important to set the transparent checkbox on in the film section. Step 2. Select your background objects, and in Objects Properties find the Visibility tab and turn on Shadow Catcher. Then press the right mouse button and choose Copy to select it. Now we have our shadow. Step 3. If you click on this thingy, you will find restriction toggles in there. We need indirect only. And let's turn it on the second collection. And now go to the Render drop-down menu and press Render Image. Done! With this setup you can have as many background or shadow casting objects as you want.